Bitcoin is back above $90,000. And I gotta say, I always hate talking about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, but I do stay up to date on it. And I gotta say, it still makes no sense to me. I would still rather have a US dollar backed by the taxing authority of the United States government than Bitcoin that is essentially backed by a speculation of hopefully a higher price in the future. For a currency, I would like to have a relatively stable value, not the 3 to 4% daily moves up or down that can occur with Bitcoin, sometimes even higher than that. But with that said, Bitcoin has risen over the last few days, apparently because crypto is pushing deeper into the banking system. There are crypto firms such as Circle and BitGo that are looking at applying for a US bank charter. They're looking at a national trust or an industrial bank charter so they could take deposits and make loans. I think this could be a situation to buy the rumor and sell the news, because when a crypto firm obtains a bank charter, they would then be subject to far stricter rules and regulations. This could then expose many concerns in the future. It was only just a few years ago when we saw the downfall of Silvergate Capital and Signature Bank. If you remember, that was a rather scary time, and the federal government had to step in and cover bank deposits well above the insured limit of $250,000. It is hard to tell what direction cryptocurrency or Bitcoin is going, but I still put it in the highly speculative category where investors can make a lot of money, but also lose their shirt as well. We still recommend that investors stay away from cryptocurrency unless you view it as a gamble, but I still think Vegas is more fun if you are looking at gambling. I'm Chase Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, be sure to give it a like or comment, and feel free to check out our other YouTube videos and weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.